What's going on, guys? Sam Tech is here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download any Twig apps for free without any jailbreak. I'll be showing you step by step. Stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up app.appvalley.vip. After you search up that, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see a lot of Twig apps, but it's free. It works. Like if I want to download uncovered jailbreak, just click gate and install, and it should install it. And I'm gonna download one more app for you to show you it's 100% working. I'm gonna download the Spotify Plus, the premium, and just click gate one more time, install, and it's installing too. The uncover is already finished installing. I'm gonna show you together how to do it. And if you click it, the app may not work, but you have to do one more step. I'm gonna show you one more time. When Spotify Plus finish installing, it's almost done. It's almost done. Now it's done, but it may not work. And if you want the app to work, just go to your settings and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click general, and you're gonna scroll down one more time and you're gonna click device management, and you're gonna click this one and you're gonna trust the app. If you didn't trust the app's not gonna work. Now all you have to do is just open it. It works 100%. And if I want to play Spotify Plus without the premium version, it works. Okay, allow, and it works. I have the premium version. I have unlimited skips and it works 100%. And if this works for you, let me know in the comment section. And if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.